guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Angie. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to join our family. So in today's video, I've got something for all my anime and manga fans. We are going to be opening up my Geek Crate from Geek Crate. It is going to be the Otaku Geek Crate, and it is a mystery box full of things for all fans of anime and manga. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. Familiar with Geek Crate, it is a mystery box for a variety of different fandoms. They have Marvel, they have Pokemon, they have Star Wars, they have anime and otaku, and they even have Harry Potter. So make sure you guys check them out if you've never heard of them. I will link them down below in the description box. So they sent me an Otaku Crate because, as you guys know, I am an anime manga girly, and this is my first time opening it up and checking it out. So let's see what we've got in here. If you know anything about me at all, you know I love a mystery box. It is one of the few things I actually will spend my money on at conventions, because I don't tend to spend a lot of my money at conventions anymore, because a lot of times they are marking up the price for stuff that is not really worth what they're charging. Or they're trying to sell you stuff and say that it's like some super rare item and you can literally go buy it from like Target like that same day. So I love a mystery box, a mystery bag, anything mystery. So I'm really excited to open up my Geek Crate. So this is what it looks like, and let's go ahead and see what we've got in here. So the first thing, it looks like we've got some Naruto socks. I love socks. I'm a girl. I think it's a girl thing to really like socks, but I love socks. I don't really care what they look like with the length. Like, I will wear a pair of socks. So good old Naruto on the socks. It actually looks like they're probably very funny looking. Look, he's standing. The length of the sock looks like how he would be standing. That's funny. Next, we've got a little mini figure here from Tiger and Bunny 2. So actually, when I was in Japan last, I actually got a Hello Kitty Tiger and Bunny collab. So actually, don't jump me. I've never seen Tiger and Bunny, but it's been on my list to watch it since I got the Hello Kitty Tiger and Bunny collab merch. So I'm actually excited about this. It is another sign, if not a screaming one, that I need to tune in probably this evening. Next, we got another little Naruto figure. This one is super cute. It has the little stand here. So this one's cute. This is like one of the little trinkets I can put here like on my trinket wall, and this has so many little figures. So I love a little mini figure. They're just so adorable. Next, we've got a My Hero Academia notebook. I don't know if they knew I was a Bakugo girly, but I am a Bakugo girly, so I'm happy for it to be Bakugo, and this is what it looks like. And actually, it's graph paper. I'm gonna have to draw or something. Actually, you know what? You can use graph paper for anything, right? I'm learning how to sew and I can draw a little bit, so maybe I can use the graph paper for that. But either way, we got Bakugo on this notebook, and I'm excited about that. It doesn't matter what the pages look like. Next, we got some, I think this is Yu-Gi-Oh! Don't jump me. I actually don't know. I've been saying I'm gonna watch Yu-Gi-Oh! Now because they just did a collab with Sanrio, but the most I know about Yu-Gi-Oh! Is from the handful of episodes I've seen when my brother was watching it, and which is pretty much nothing. So I think these are Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards, so I'm about to get my little thing on my arm and start dueling. But this is super cute. I have to open it up and see what I got. I wonder if I got something rare. I guess I wouldn't know if it was rare or not, huh? Next, this is so cute. This is a little Luffy Lego. I'm gonna have to put this together. This is literally adorable. This is also gonna go on my little trinket wall, but this is so Lego Luffy? Lego Luffy? Yeah, I support this cause. Next, looks like we got a Hidden Leaf Village headband. I haven't had one of these in a long time. Once upon a time, I did own one, and I wore it places I probably shouldn't have and looked like a total nerd. And that's okay. You know, it is what it is. Live and learn. I would still do it again. And I probably will. But yeah, this is what this looks like. So if you see me in a Hidden Leaf headband, I don't know, dab me up or mind your business. Next, we got a Momo Funko Pop. This is really cool. I actually really love her, and I don't, outside of a couple like special edition Dekus and I think one Bakugo. Actually, you know what? I'm lying. I'm getting ready to say I don't have any My Hero, and I'm gonna keep naming characters. Like, I'm pretty sure I have Overhaul, I'm pretty sure I have Aizawa, I'm pretty sure I have Bakugo and Deku, so scratch that. But I don't have any of the girls. So I'm excited to add one of the girls to my list. So this is actually really cool. I'm really excited about having this. I love a Funko Pop. Y'all should know I have a big Funko Pop collection, so I love a Funko Pop. Next, we got some One Piece stickers. These are super cute. I'm a sticker girl. I think everybody's a sticker person. Like, how do you not like stickers? So all of Luffy. Fire. Love a sticker. Next, we've got, looks like some art prints. So we've got a Ken Kaneki art print, Tokyo Ghoul Fans Rise, okay? And hello, we've got No Face. This one's really cool. If you guys know anything about me, I love No Face, one of my favorite characters of all time. And this is really exciting. I love having this. I actually don't have a lot of prints, but I need to put them up somewhere. So now I'm starting entering my print era. And it looks like there's one other thing in here. Oh, this is cool. The last thing in my box, is this glow in the dark Death Note mug of Ryuk. Now I'm a deep thinker tea drinker, so I love a mug. I actually have an abundance of mugs, but you can never have too many mugs. But the fact that this is glow in the dark with Ryuk on it, and I love Ryuk like this, okay. This is a really cool like collection of items. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So look, the price for one box is $53. And I can tell you right here and now, I think the value based off what you got is really, really good. Like I got a mug, I got a Funko Pop, I got a little figure, some socks, a notebook, a couple smaller little figures, and then I also got a headband, some trading cards, some stickers, and some art prints. Like I feel like the price of that, $53, is really, really good. Now you can also subscribe and I believe get these monthly. And I think the price for a monthly box is $39.75. So I personally think it's totally worth it, especially if you're somebody who likes one manga, but like you also like blind boxes and mystery boxes and just being surprised and having a collection of totally new stuff and you don't know what you're gonna get. I personally think it's worth it. Now I do want to say, if you guys are interested in getting your own Geek Crate or any of the other Geek Crates that they offer, you guys can get 15% off your first order or your first month subscription, and of course you can use that code here, and it's also down below, directly linked in the description box. But me personally, I'm really happy with my goods. Like this makes me want to go get a cup of tea and have a cup of tea just so I can see how it comes together. I'm gonna put my Luffy together. I'm gonna find a little space for my Naruto. I'm gonna fire up Tiger and Bunny. Like I'm really, really happy with the things that I got in my Otaku Crate. So a big, big thank you to Geek Crate for sending me this box to check out. And if you guys are interested, like I said, all the information will be down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.